look what I got. Another free lawn tractor. This is a John Deere LA 145. Is that what that says? Yeah. You know I love John Deere's. Can you say Deere's like that? Or John Deere? There's the other one. I got adjusted valves on that, remember? This is a little different situation. Our neighbor lady's moving out of state and she doesn't need this. And it doesn't start. Look, your seat from when it was new. It doesn't start. She said, I tried to help her start it a couple years ago with her son. Couldn't figure it out. So maybe I'll have luck. Or maybe you can tell me what's wrong with it now, right? So this says, hang on. Don't look at me. $2,419 in September of 2010. Look at this. Overhead cam, V-twin. It's a 2-cylinder. It's bigger than my John Deere D105. Wow, let's look at carb cleaner. Somebody was trying to work on it. Starting fluid. Oh, look at this. Just some kind of clip. Wow, 2 cup holders. 1, 2, and I can put a sandwich there, right? 2 drinks and a sandwich. And we could pull this around with the other one, right? Oh, alright, so look. Nothing, right? I'm going to try that jump starter real quick. I'm not going to do a lot of work on it now. Look, there's something in the rack. Boy, you love these John Deeres, don't you? Let me get that jump starter real quick. 48-inch wide. Has the hose attachment for the clean out port there. Wow. See what happens when I try and start it. Hang on. Try this halo bolt again. See what happens. The battery looked pretty new. Because I think it was 2 years ago, her son was here trying to get it started, and they bought a new battery then, but just couldn't get it going. They were trying to jump start it with the car over there. Maybe you could tell me what's wrong with it. Red to red, black to black. Turn it on, and don't come back. Blink. It stops blinking. There we go. Alright. It's going to be a miracle. If it starts, it won't start. How can it start, right? Nice. Feels solid. The headlights work. Huh? No? Jumper back on. One more time. Ah. Ooh. That's off. Off. Light. Off. Start. Wires up there. Alright, I'm going to charge it up overnight. Hit me, hit me. So much fun. Not bad, right? You'd take that for free, wouldn't you? Heck yeah. Always kept in the garage. There's the hose attachment. Mine has that too, but I keep this off. But anyway, first things first. Oh, I can't even tell how many hours are on it. See? Anyway, I'm going to charge it up overnight. Not with that, with a real charger. Yeah. Sounds like it's not getting any spark or fuel. The fuel filters over here, it looks pretty good. He must have changed that when he tried to start it. Check the headlights now. Headlights? No. Huh? No. All right. All right. Conked out. Well, it sounded good right there. I'm going to charge this battery overnight. I'm so happy. I wish the grass would grow all year so I could use 3 tractors and cut the lawn. My lawn isn't even that big, you know that. But I had to share this with you because how often do you find a good lawn tractor for free? Twice in a month. Please subscribe so you can check back on the progress. All right? I gotta go eat now. I'm working on you next, don't worry. I didn't forget you. I'll put these in my garage, I guess. See ya!